Hello everyone, I'm Jordan, a developer advocate over at Superwall. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make your very first purchase using the Superwall SDK in your iOS app. Finally, let's show how to purchase a product using Superwall. If you followed all the steps, you've got your products inside of Superwall, you've set up a paywall, and you've configured it to show. Here's a few more things that you might want to keep in mind though. The first is to use a StoreKit configuration file. These are great because even if your app isn't live yet, you can still easily test in-app purchases. I've got mine set up here. Now, when I build and run the app, I can try and trigger an event that requires Pro. And there's my paywall. I should be able to start a free trial and have it all kick off here. Sure enough, there are my terms. I can hit subscribe. And there you go. I just made a product purchase with Superwall. Another thing I need to point out about these StoreKit configuration files is that it's easy to miss having them integrated into your scheme. You need to edit your scheme, and under Options, make sure that you've got it selected here for StoreKit configuration file. Another handy tip is if you want to try purchasing things again, go to Debug, StoreKit, Manage Transactions, and you can easily delete things that you've just purchased. So if I delete that transaction, I'm no longer Pro anymore, and I can try the purchase flow once again. With that, you're all ready to use Superwall inside of your app, and you've got the basics down.